All right, so y'all been wanting me to show y'all a cold peel transfer. So I'm actually about to do it with y'all real time, no edits. So this is going to be me making a t-shirt with cold peel transfers and showing y'all how this whole process is from start to finish. Now, if you click on the bubble above, I actually show you how it is with a hot peel transfer. So if you want to know the difference and how fast I can move with a hot peel transfer, then click on the comment that's above this video. Now, first, you want to pre-press your t-shirt for about 7 seconds. After that, we're going to do about 3 to 4 fingers from the collar, and we're going to move it over 2.5 inches to do our chest piece. After you center it the way you like, you press down. Now, with highly flavored cold and hot peels, you can use the same degrees and the same time. You could do 330 degrees for about 10 to 7 seconds. Now, the difference between a cold peel and a hot peel is you have to wait till it's cool to the touch before you can actually peel it. Now, to make the process faster, you can actually get a regular chalkboard eraser. You can get it from anywhere. So this is a regular chalkboard eraser, and I'm using it to press down and wipe the transfer, not only to cool it down, but to press the design into the t-shirt to make sure when I rip it, everything stays in the shirt and doesn't come off on the transfer. So this is a really good tool to use. I've used a lot of tools between a wet washcloth, air duster, all type of tools to cool down the transfer. But by far, a heat block or chalkboard eraser is my favorite. So once you peel it off, you're going to do your final press. And like I said, this is no edits. I'm doing this from beginning to end. If you want to make your own t-shirts at home too, like I do, then all the materials that I use is in the bottom left of the screen. Hit the little shopping cart and you'll be able to see the cold peel transfers. If you prefer hot peel transfers, then click the little comment above that says, I thought you were going to show cold peels, and it'll take you to that video where I use hot peel transfers. And you can see the difference between the two, and you can choose which one you like. Now, if you want to know what printer I use and all that in the process of converting it, I do have a free ebook in my bio that teaches you the entire process. Also, in that ebook, I tell you where to get your t-shirts from and where to get all your supplies from. So it's a complete step-by-step guide to show you the entire process of how to do this. And for anybody that's interested in what the potential startup cost is to make your own transfers from the house, I tell people it's around about $1,500. But let's get back to the vid. So once I press down, remember, this is a cold peel transfer, so I can't peel it yet. So that's when I grab my heat block eraser or my regular chalk eraser and just wipe it down really good. When using white t-shirts, it's best that you have a lint roller because the eraser does leave little pieces behind, and it's just best to have a lint roller so you can just easily get those off. Like I said, you can use a cold rag, you can use a air blower, tile. There's all kind of tools that people use to cool down these cold transfers. But to be honest, you know, my preference is a hot peel transfer just so I don't have to go through all this additional wait time. And the quality and durability is just the same between hot and cold. But people prefer cold, usually because they want to make sure that the design is fully into the t-shirt. But as long as you have tight pressure and the right temperature and the right brand, like highly flavored, then you don't have to worry about that like if you see the video above. But if you watch this entire video, I just want to say I appreciate you. Thanks for watching Highly Flavored, and thanks for supporting me. As always, I want y'all to stay blessed.